Imagine yourself in this 2014 Chevrolet Spark 1 LT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, 6-speaker system, premium audio system, Chevrolet MyLink, radio data system, Sirius XM satellite radio, USB port audio system feature, air conditioning, rear window defroster, outside temperature display and power steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.